Number 1, increases the body's antioxidant capacity. One common denominator of aging and many diseases is oxidative stress. When there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, free radicals tend to react negatively with important organic substances such as proteins, DNA, or fatty acids. Antioxidants are of paramount importance because of their protective role against free radicals. Number 2, lowers heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death around the globe. It's why researchers have spent so much time studying it. And unsurprisingly, heart disease is significantly complicated and several factors contribute to it. Thankfully, as simple as taking turmeric can help reverse many steps in the heart disease process. Arguably, the main benefit of curcumin is to improve the function of the endothelium, or the lining of the blood vessels. Endothelial dysfunction is a major driver of heart disease. Number 3, contributes to healthy digestion. Turmeric is commonly used in curry powder because it adds an element of deliciousness to food. But more than that, the vibrant spice also contributes to the digestion process due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, turmeric stimulates the gallbladder, which then releases bile. The bile helps in breaking down the food you eat, all the while aiding in the absorption of fats and certain nutrients. In Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric is used as a digestive healing agent, and currently it's also being studied as a treatment for irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Surprisingly, eating turmeric every day can be an important part of your skincare routine. Here's how it does this. Number 4, boosts skin health. Thanks to the antioxidants, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties found in turmeric, it makes an effective treatment for treating various skin conditions. Acne, for instance, is caused by inflammation, and turmeric, being a natural anti-inflammatory, can be used in combating pesky zits.